Now, if you want to know how to run ads on Shopify on Facebook, well, there are a few things that you need to do and you need to set up here. Now, first things first is we need to understand that we need to use an app in order for you to do this. Now, the great thing about this one is you can actually install an app directly from Meta in order for you to connect your Facebook account and your Shopify account. So, at the bottom left, you want to go and click on Settings. And under Settings, you want to go and choose the Apps and Sales channel at the left side. You want to go and click on the Shopify App Store at the top right here. And in here, you want to go and just search for the following. Just type in the following. It's going to be Facebook. Just press Enter. And you want to look for specifically Facebook and Instagram. Let's go and select this one and click on Install. Now, the great thing about this app is you don't have to pay for anything. This is a free app that anyone can actually install. But once you click on Install, just click on Install to confirm that you want to install the app. And once it's actually fully installed, we should be able to start the setup process. Now, setup process is pretty much easy here. You just need to make sure that you have the necessary details. That includes a Facebook business account and a pixel. Now, don't worry if you don't have a pixel yet, you can actually create one. So, how do you get started here? Just click on Get Started and just follow the on-screen steps. Now, by the way, it will ask you to first log in into your account. So, if you haven't logged in, just log in first. But once you've logged into your Facebook account, this will automatically detect your business portfolios. Now, inside your business portfolio section here, you want to choose one that you want to use. Now, for example, I want to use the very first one. Let's go and click on Connect. And it's going to ask you how do you want to share your data. So these are your sharing preference. You have conservative, enhanced, and maximum. They have their own perks in here, so you can go and just expand the details here and what's included. But for now, I'm going to use the enhance here and click on Save. Now, in here, you want to go and scroll a little bit and look for the dataset. Now, your dataset here is also your pixel. So if you don't have a pixel yet, you can go and click on Create New and just follow the on-screen steps in order for you to connect one. So let's go and disconnect here since we want to use our already existing pixel here. Let's go and choose Connect on the very first one. And let's just agree to the product catalog terms here and click on Submit for review. Now, the review process is quite simple here. This will just take a few minutes. So I would highly recommend you to just let it run in the background, do something else while you're waiting. But once it's actually done, you should be able to start publishing your product and also start running ads for Shopify. And as you can see here now, we are now pretty much good to go here. So just click on the Create Ad option here and it should redirect you to your ads manager on Facebook. Now, from here, you can go and start creating your campaign. So at the top left, you go and click on Create. And from here, you can go and choose one. Like, for example, we want to add some engagement here. Click on Continue. And from here, you can go and choose your recommended settings here or your manual engagement campaign. Now, if you want to really specify or really be specific about your campaign, you can go and choose manual engagement. But let's go and choose recommended settings here for now. And let's go and click on Continue. Now, in here, it's going to ask you to start organizing or editing your campaign. Now, like for example, what's the campaign name here, A/B testing, special ad categories, and all that. You can go and click on Next once you fill out those details. Now, from here, you add set and name. So this is the template. Now, your conversion here. So, for example, if you want to redirect them on a certain number or a certain account here, you can go and specify that as well. So yeah, let's go and just go to the very bottom here. And from here, you have your performance goals, your budget schedules, start date, end date, audience control as well, advantage audience, ad transparencies, and also the placement. Now, on the next page here, it should give you all the details about your ad here, like the ad name, partnership ad if you want to do that or use that. You also have your identity here, your ad setup, and also your ad creatives, creative testing here as well, and also your chat builder, and also your tracking. Now, if you wanted to track the website events that will happen to your Shopify store, you could go and just specify this, and it will use the pixel that we just recently connected. So yeah. So also you have your patterns here, but once you're done, you can go and just click on the publish at the bottom right here, and that should basically publish your ad here from Shopify. But yeah, just keep in mind that mine is actually inactive as of this moment. I haven't used this specific pixel in a while, but if you just recently created this, you don't have to worry about it. But yeah, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.